Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best spray can holder wall mount available on the market, the Touri 2-pack 5 cans wall-mounted steel aerosol spray can holder rack organizer. If you're someone who works with spray cans regularly, whether in your garage, workshop, or even on the go in your tool trailer, this organizer is designed to keep your workspace neat and your cans easily accessible. Right from the start, the Touri spray can holder impresses with its durable construction. Made from 16-gauge alloy steel, this rack is built to last and features a rust-proof powder-coated finish that ensures it stays looking great even after extended use in various environments. The black steel finish not only adds a sleek, professional look but also provides resistance against scratches, weather, and wear, making it ideal for garage or workshop conditions. Each rack holds up to 5 aerosol cans, and since the package includes 2 holders, you can store up to 10 cans in total. The design is compact yet spacious, measuring 16.5 inches in width, 4 inches in height, and 3.5 inches in depth per rack. This smart sizing allows you to save precious workspace by mounting the holders on your wall, freeing up shelves and countertops for other tools and projects. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. These holders are wall-mounted with screws, which are easy to fix into a variety of surfaces, offering a secure hold that won't let your can slip or fall. Because they are permanently fixed, they keep your spray cans organized in one place and eliminate the frustration of misplaced or tipped-over cans. The open compartment style of the holder makes it versatile beyond just spray paint. You can store cleaning bottles, lubricants, or other similarly sized supplies, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. The open design also makes it quick to grab the can you need without any hassle. One of the standout features of the Touri spray can holder is its portability and weather resistance. While it is designed to be mounted, its durable steel and protective coating mean it can withstand moisture and humidity without rusting. This makes it perfect not only for indoor garages but also for covered outdoor workspaces or mobile tool trailers. Each rack weighs about a pound, so they're sturdy but not cumbersome. They are also washable and easy to maintain, so keeping them clean from dust, paint overspray, or grime is no trouble at all. In terms of functionality and style, the Touri spray can holder blends seamlessly into any workspace. Its minimalist design and black finish keep it unobtrusive, yet it adds an element of professional organization that can elevate your working environment. Overall, the Touri 2-pack 5 cans wall-mounted steel aerosol spray can holder rack organizer offers exceptional value. It's well-built, space-saving, versatile, and designed to last. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional painter, or simply someone looking to keep your spray cans orderly and accessible, this wall mount holder is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your workspace organization, check out the Touri spray can holder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.